how to create Visual Studio Code account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Visual Studio Code account. In order to create a Visual Studio Code account, you actually need to create a Microsoft account or a GitHub account. If you have that account, you just simply need to sign in using those accounts in order to create an account on Visual Studio Code. For that, you may go to the official website of Visual Studio Code, which is my.visualstudio.com, or if you have already downloaded the application, simply open the application on your device. Once you open the application, here in the space at the bottom left, you'll be able to see a profile icon. Simply click on it and then a pop-up will appear. Now here you will need to select Turn on Cloud Changes option. Once you select this option, at the very top, you'll be able to see two different options, whether to sign in with your Microsoft account or your GitHub account. If you have already created the GitHub account, then you will be taken to the login interface of GitHub, where you will need to log into your GitHub account. Simply click on this Sign in with GitHub option and then you will be redirected to the login interface of GitHub. Here now use your credentials like your username or email address and your password in order to log into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, then you may click on this Create an Account option or the link at the very bottom and then follow the prompts in order to create an account. After that, log into your GitHub account. Here I have already created my account. So now after entering the credentials, click on the sign in button right here. Wait until you get signed in to your account. After that, here you will need to authorize your account. Simply click on this continue button at the right side and then here click on this authorize Visual Studio Code. After doing that, you'll be able to see this pop-up on your screen. Click on this open Visual Studio Code. Once doing that, you will be taken to the Visual Studio Code where you are already logged in. Now, when you click on this profile icon at the bottom left, you will be able to see your account name, which is your GitHub account. So by following these steps, you should be able to create Visual Studio Code account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.